Hello there, warriors. Your body is filled with toxins, and you don't even know. Throughout our daily lives, our bodies ingest various toxins from the environment through the air we breathe and the food we eat. In fact, a lot of our bodily processes also end up creating toxins as byproducts. So how do you stay healthy with all of this toxin buildup? No need to worry, ladies and gentlemen. This is where the kidneys come in. The kidneys are the filtration system in our body that works to process these toxins out. But in certain cases, due to lurking kidney disease or other medical conditions, the toxins can back up in our system, causing a lot of trouble in our body. However, if detected early, flushing out the toxin buildup in the body is as simple as taking out the trash. Stay tuned to discover the 7 signs you need to look out for in this ultimate guide to toxin buildup in the kidneys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We look out for your health with amazing wellness tips for a healthy life, and we would love for you to be a part of our community of warriors. But first, let's understand how kidneys work. 20% of the oxygenated blood pumped by the heart goes through the renal arteries into the kidneys, where it undergoes filtration and processing to remove waste products and maintain a balance of essential substances. Within each kidney, there are tiny structures called nephrons, and each nephron contains a cluster of blood vessels known as the glomerulus. This is where the initial filtration occurs. Pressure forces water, salts, and small molecules out of the blood and into the renal tubules, forming the filtrate. The filtered fluid then moves through the renal tubules where the majority of reabsorption takes place. Essential substances like glucose and amino acids are reabsorbed back into the bloodstream, preventing their loss in urine. The loop of Henle further concentrates the filtrate by reabsorbing excess water and electrolytes. This segment plays a crucial role in maintaining water balance. Then the kidneys selectively secrete substances into the urine to regulate the levels of specific ions and substances in the blood. The concentrated urine moves through the ureters from the kidneys to the bladder for storage before eventual excretion from the body. This process helps eliminate waste products and excess substances. The bladder acts as a reservoir, storing urine until the body is ready to expel it. The expulsion is controlled by the sphincter muscles at the base of the bladder. The kidneys ultimately maintain fluid and electrolyte balance, regulate acid-base balance to control the body's pH, eliminate waste products from metabolism and medications, and contribute to blood pressure regulation. But what if the kidneys' function is compromised? Kidneys are just as vital to our body processes as the brain or heart and should never be neglected. Here are 7 signs that your kidneys are toxic and need immediate care. Number 1. Edema. Healthy kidneys regulate the balance of fluids in the body by filtering out waste products and excess fluid, which is then eliminated through urine. In cases of kidney dysfunction, the ability to filter and excrete excess fluid is compromised. This leads to a retention of fluid in the body, causing swelling or edema. Kidney-related edema may initially appear in specific areas, such as the ankles, feet, or hands. This can eventually progress to affect other parts of the body. Kidney dysfunction can also disrupt the balance of sodium and water in the body. Sodium retention can lead to increased fluid retention. The kidneys also play a role in maintaining appropriate levels of proteins like albumin in the blood. In kidney dysfunction, there may be a loss of albumin in the urine, a condition called proteinuria, contributing to decreased oncotic pressure. This reduction in pressure can lead to fluid leaking into the surrounding tissues, causing edema. In the early stages of kidney dysfunction, edema may be subtle and localized. As kidney dysfunction worsens, fluid retention can become more widespread, leading to generalized edema that affects the face, abdomen, and other areas. Generalized edema, especially when it involves the lungs called pulmonary edema, can lead to difficulty breathing. Number 2. Metallic taste. Urea is a waste product produced during the breakdown of proteins in the body. Normally, the kidneys efficiently filter urea and other waste products, excreting them through urine. When kidney function is compromised, urea accumulates in the bloodstream instead of being excreted. Elevated levels of urea can lead to various symptoms, including a metallic taste in the mouth. Urea is broken down into ammonia in the body. As urea accumulates in the blood due to impaired kidney function, it contributes to the distinctive odor of uremic breath. Uremic breath refers to an ammonia-like odor that can be detected on the breath. Urea in the bloodstream can also affect the composition of saliva, contributing to changes in taste perception. When toxins, including urea, build up in the bloodstream, they can affect the sensory receptors in the mouth and alter taste perception. The presence of elevated toxin levels can lead to a metallic or bitter taste sensation in the mouth. Number 3. Anemia. Anemia is a condition characterized by a decreased number of red blood cells or a low hemoglobin concentration in the blood. In the context of kidney dysfunction and toxin buildup, anemia often results from impaired production of erythropoietin. Erythropoietin is a hormone produced by the kidneys that stimulates the bone marrow to produce red blood cells. When the kidneys are not functioning properly due to toxin accumulation, they may produce insufficient erythropoietin. Reduced erythropoietin levels can lead to a decrease in the production of red blood cells, resulting in anemia. Anemia leads to a decreased oxygen-carrying capacity of the blood, affecting the delivery of oxygen to tissues and organs. Red blood cells play a crucial role in transporting oxygen from the lungs to various tissues and organs. In anemia, the reduced number of red blood cells means less oxygen is delivered to tissues. This can result in fatigue, weakness, and a general sense of lethargy. Oxygen is essential for cellular metabolism and energy production. When tissues receive inadequate oxygen, energy production is compromised, leading to fatigue. Anemic individuals often experience a pervasive sense of weakness and lack of energy. Fatigue may be more pronounced during physical activities or exertion. Inadequate oxygen delivery to the brain can lead to difficulty concentrating and mental fatigue. Anemia can be identified with paleness of the skin. Number 4. High blood pressure. The kidneys play a crucial role in regulating blood pressure by managing fluid and electrolyte balance. Healthy kidneys help maintain blood pressure within a normal range by controlling the volume of blood circulating in the body. They adjust the amount of water reabsorbed or excreted in the urine to maintain optimal blood volume. Sodium and potassium are key electrolytes that influence blood pressure. The kidneys regulate the balance of these electrolytes, which in turn affects the movement of water in and out of cells and blood vessels. The kidneys are involved in the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, a hormonal mechanism that regulates blood pressure. When blood pressure drops, the kidneys release renin, triggering a series of events that aim to raise blood pressure by constricting blood vessels and retaining sodium. If toxins build up in the kidneys, they can impair these regulatory functions. They may affect the responsiveness of blood vessels, leading to increased resistance and elevated blood pressure. Electrolyte imbalance caused by toxin accumulation can disrupt the normal movement of fluids, impacting blood volume and pressure. The presence of toxins can contribute to endothelial dysfunction, affecting the lining of blood vessels. This dysfunction can lead to reduced nitric oxide production, a substance that helps dilate blood vessels and regulate blood pressure. Kidney damage due to toxins can trigger inflammatory responses that affect blood vessel health. Chronic inflammation is associated with hypertension. Number 5. Uremic frost. In a healthy state, the kidneys filter waste products, including urea, from the blood, and these are excreted in the urine. When the kidneys are severely impaired, as in end-stage renal disease, they struggle to effectively filter these waste products, leading to their accumulation in the bloodstream. Urea is a byproduct of protein metabolism, and its buildup in the blood is a hallmark of kidney dysfunction. As urea concentrations rise significantly, it can crystallize and be deposited on the skin, leading to the appearance of uremic frost. Uremic frost manifests as a powdery or frost-like substance on the skin. The crystallized urea gives the appearance of tiny, white to yellowish grains. It can occur on various parts of the body, with common areas being the face, limbs, and other exposed skin surfaces. The distribution is often related to areas where sweat is produced. Uremic frost is a late-stage manifestation and is typically associated with advanced kidney disease or ESRD. The presence of uremic frost signifies an extreme elevation of urea levels in the blood, a condition known as severe uremia. Number 6. Protein in urine. The kidneys play a crucial role in filtering the blood to remove waste products and excess substances, while retaining essential components, like proteins. Healthy kidneys have specialized filters called glomeruli that selectively allow certain substances, including waste products, to pass through while preventing larger molecules like proteins from being excreted. In cases of kidney distress, the glomeruli may become damaged or dysfunctional, compromising their selective filtration ability. As a result, proteins, particularly albumin, may leak into the urine instead of being retained in the bloodstream. The presence of excess protein in the urine, especially albumin, leads to the formation of foam or froth in the urine. Foamy or frothy urine is a visual manifestation of proteinuria and is often noticeable during urination. While proteinuria itself may not directly indicate the presence of toxins, it signals that the kidneys are unable to maintain the proper balance of substances in the blood, causing prolonged exposure to certain nephrotoxic substances, such as heavy metals or medications, allowing essential proteins to be excreted. Number 7. Acidic urine. The kidneys play a pivotal role in maintaining the body's acid-base balance by regulating the excretion of hydrogen ions and reabsorption of bicarbonate ions. This balance is crucial for overall physiological function. Impairment of kidney function can disrupt this delicate balance, leading to alterations in urine pH. Toxins can directly affect the structure and function of the kidneys, interfering with their ability to filter and regulate the composition of urine. Dehydration can lead to more concentrated urine, potentially resulting in increased acidity. In dehydration, the kidneys may prioritize water conservation over maintaining a neutral pH. Acidic urine can result from a decreased capacity of the kidneys to excrete hydrogen ions or an increased reabsorption of acid in the renal tubules. Oh, my dear warriors, your life can change tremendously by simply following a healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet, mindfulness, and exercise. Make sure that you stay hydrated throughout the day for healthy kidney function and keep a lookout for these warning signs. Cheers to wellness and health. This is Wellness Warriors with another life-changing experience on how to take control of your healthy lifestyle. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on the latest health tips and tricks to a better life. Thank you for watching. See you again next time on Wellness Warriors.